all of these American investors have it backwards. Listen, they'll tell you that to make a 10% return per month, you need to become a Forex trader, play with options, buy a business, invest in real estate, or even gamble on meme coins. Sure, while all of that can work, why go through all that stress, complexity, and volatility when there's a much simpler way? As an ex-investment banker with a CFA level 3, I've seen firsthand how the elites generate incredible market-beating returns while minimizing volatility. And while I loved seeing what goes on behind closed doors, ultimately, what I really wanted wasn't to spend the next 25 years making rich people more money. What I wanted was a few simple things. I wanted control over my own investments, strategies that deliver consistent compounding yield, just like the big players. And more than that, I wanted freedom to travel, work on meaningful projects, and focus on what really matters. And if you are in a similar situation, there's a much easier way than doing all that complex stuff out there. Now, my name is Tangera, and 5 years ago, I found out exactly what the billionaires are doing that creates a consistent yield that compounds daily. And I was able to leverage this exact, simplified strategy to see 10, 30, and even up to 45% returns in a single month by leveraging an industry on track to hit $20 trillion according to NASDAQ. Since then, I've been able to help 1,500 investors break into this industry. And here's the kicker. Right now, we're entering one of the most explosive bull markets within this industry in recent history, with institutional giants like BlackRock, Fidelity, and JP Morgan pouring billions into it. The bull run is here, and it's big. The best bit, I've gone ahead and put together a study detailing exactly how to break into this little-known industry step by step. If you want to find out what this strategy is like, then click the link above, below, or around this video. I am simply pulling back the curtain, showing how I did it, how my students have done it, and ultimately, how you too can potentially generate these consistent market-beating yields in just a few clicks of the mouse. For instance, you'll learn how people like Jeffrey has used this to make $143 a day, which compounds daily. Tyler used it to identify an asset offering 64,000 APR on US dollar equivalents. Mark used it to make $450 in his first 24 hours using a moderate position size of just 10K. Of course, I can't legally promise similar returns. These are just quick example, but after watching this video, I promise you'll have everything you need to go out and implement this strategy yourself. But with that said, I know a small percentage of people will be interested in working with us to accelerate this process. So if that's you, great. And if that's not you, that's cool as well. No hard feelings. But either way, you're going to walk away with actionable, new information that you can start applying immediately. So if that sounds cool, and that's fair enough, click the link above or around this video. Opt in on the next page, and we'll see you on the other side.